Gold and silver have hit hard yesterday, where silver has specifically crashed sharp all the way towards 3170 levels. And in the earlier trades today, we have seen silver sliding further towards 3150, while gold has shown a bit of resilience, though we have seen a good sharp correction of almost $100 hitting the lows at 3054. But a good recovery is also seen. What to expect from gold and silver today? Is this the beginning of a correction in gold, or it is going to be treated as a safe haven and we are going to look forward to another round of rally here? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Press the bell icon, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. If you see gold on the hourly charts, moving averages have crossed over after delivering a massive bull run here all the way towards 3167. And see what a good move we have seen yesterday. This was a retracement and the gold is now again back into the bearish channel here. Yes, this is delivering lower highs, and this could be the channel which it would like to create with the lows at 3040, and in fact below that we can see a further slide. But right now if you see, it is consolidated enough, it is getting a good resistance at 3120 3115 zone, and as long as now 3120 is not taken, you should not be treating this as bullish. And beyond 3120, I will say 3130 32, 3136 and 3140. These are the three key levels which gold needs to break today in order to confirm a reversal. As long as 3140 is not taken, it is under bearish territory. I will say it is under a correction. As long as 3140 is not taken, you should not be treating gold as bullish, and you can hold the sell positions possibly for a near term. Now earlier yesterday I have mentioned that 3060 3040 is the zone which it would like to hit. What it has done, it has moved towards 3054 and bounce back. So now this zone is something which you should watch out for, because below 3040 the next target levels are going to be all the way towards 3000 and 2980 levels. Be mindful of this. Yes, if it stays below 3060 3040 zone, the next targets are going to be all the way towards 2980 and $3000 levels. I also look at the hourly chart. See one bearish candle, second one is approaching here, and possibly once it stays below 3080, we can look forward to another round of good drop. Stock IC looking down, the MACD again crossing over for sell. RSI has dropped sharp on the 2 hour charts, and on the 2 hour charts similar is the observation. The resistance here at 3120 pretty strong, and with that as resistance we can see the slide happening here. And see the support at 3100 is breached, and below it is looking forward to 3080, the next support levels, and below 3080 we can see the next move all the way towards 3060 and then 3040 levels. The stock stick looking downwards, the MACD trading sharply bearish looking downwards. The RSI has dropped here on the 3 hour charts, and similar is the observation. One bigger slide after getting resistance from the 20 period. Only important thing here is the moving averages have not yet crossed over. These are trying to converge. I am worried that if it delivers this, that it is converge and fails to cross over, again bounce. And thus a crossover is what you should wait for. For a crossover we need sharper bearish candles from here, which suggests that it has to trade below 3040 levels in order to confirm the correction here, which is going to take it all the way towards 3000 or 2980 very soon. Stock IC looking down, MACD trading sharply bearish looking downwards. The RSI is looking downwards, which is again a slight bearish sign. On the 4 hour charts, the observation is more or less same. See resistance here from 20 period trying to look downwards. It is coming outside Bollinger Bands. Potentially it will stay outside Bollinger Bands, putting the pressure on the bands to expand consistently here, and it might try to move towards 3080 or in fact lower levels, where we can expect 3072 3060 levels as the next targets, below which another round of drop should be seen. The stock stick is comfortable. MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with divergence and bearishness. Yesterday I have mentioned one thing. See this crossover is coming from the top. This might continue here for a while, and what has happened, we have seen a sharper correction here, and it is continuing to drop. RSI has dropped sharp as well. Coming to daily, before we proceed to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, my next mentorship batch starts on 5th of May. Do not miss to register for it. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for your queries. And if you're just looking forward to our signals channel, you can be part of my signals channel and trade as per the signals. Again, connect with me via Telegram or email for more details. And yes, if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now see what has happened in gold here. We have been discussing this. See the rally is overstretched, and after this rally, see this was the first retracement, and see a bigger swing is seen yesterday. Also most importantly that it has just kissed the 20 period moving average and bounce back sharp. Now we have to wait for it to stay below the 20 period moving average, which suggests this zone again at 3060 is going to remain critical for the day. You have to watch out. So if you see now gold trading below 3088, we can take a selling entry, expect 3080 first target zone, 3070 to the next, and then 3060 level should appear, and then 3050 and 3040 levels. These are the two critical levels, and 3060, 3050, 3040 you should watch out for, because below 3040 in the near term gold is going to deliver a massive correction which is going to take it all the way towards 2980, $33,000 levels. Stock IST looking downwards, the MACD now is starting to converge, and we will wait for a crossover. See, it has formed a twin top, and now forming the twin top, a crossover is what you should wait for, because this crossover is going to take gold all the way downwards. The MACD might hit the bottom here, which means a correction for the month of April. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. So looking at this, very simple, sell at 3088. The targets we have already shown below 3040. We will wait for the near term towards 3000 and 2980 in the month of April itself. While on the upside, ideally the buying has to be above 3115 levels, but if you see it is staying above 3100 also, you can take a buy. This is going to be riskier. Yes, this could help gold retrace or gain a little ground here. We can see it moving towards 3106, 3112 and 3116 levels, and the bulls will try to take over if it stays above 3116. There you can expect it to move towards 31 3032, or in fact 31 36 40 levels. Till 3140 we should not be treating gold as bullish. We should not be treating gold for a reversal as long as 3140 is not taken. So take your positions accordingly. Buy at 3100, be careful till towards 3116, that is the first milestone, and then towards 3140. Till 3140 it is sell on rise. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the early charts getting a good resistance from 32. We have seen prices reversing now, and this zone at 32 3220 is going to be very critical, and then 32 40 60. Till 3260 we should not be treating silver as bullish. We should not be expecting a bounce back. We should not be expecting a recovery as long as 3260 levels are not taken. Right now it is looking downwards. Once you see silver trading below 3140, we can expect the next round of move all the way towards 31. I will show you why 31 is achievable. Moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. Stock IST is looking downwards as well. The MACD appears to have bottomed. Interestingly, see, minus 40 levels on the hourly charts is something which we have not seen in the recent past, either on the buy side or on the sell side. You can see this for the last 3-4 months. In fact, when it was bullish, also we have not seen minus 40 levels. So this is a slight concerning point. This is the only time in way back in October when we have seen it moving all the way to plus 60, and this could be another time when we can see a move all the way towards minus 60 here. So right now I'll say we have to wait for it to give a signal for correction, else it is still staying bearish, though it appears to be staying oversold as of now. RSI oversold, very clear. Coming to 2-hour charts, similar is the object. On the 2-hour charts, you can find out the resistance here at 32. With that as resistance, price is reversing now, trading bearish, looking downwards, and see this has come out of this channel with the highs at 31.80, 32. And thus, for silver to turn bullish, we have to wait for $32 levels to be taken on the upside. Stock IST at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI staying oversold. Yes, silver is certainly getting into an oversold zone, but these are times when it can stretch this drop. Be mindful of this. Look at the 3-hour charts. After a bit of consolidation, this first breakout has appeared, and this also suggests that it can continue to deliver a couple of more bearish candles from here. Now I'll tell you why this could move all the way towards 31. See, on the 3-hour charts, still you can see there is lot much of downside available here. The stochastic though is oversold, but and also the MACD and RSI both are trading with sharp bearishness and staying oversold. On the 4-hour, the observation is not much different. After a bit of consolidation, we are seeing a breakout here. Possibly if you see it is staying above 3170, you can expect it to move towards 32, but then it is only and only if it trades above 32 we can expect slight bullishness, and the reversal confirmation is only and only if it trades above 3240, 3260 zone. Things are definitely staying oversold here for silver. This calls for a little pullback. Coming to the daily chart. Now let me show you something on the daily chart. See how this, first of all, the bottoming here at 29, then first rise and retracement, then second rise retracement, third rise retracement. This is the fourth rise and retracement. Now see where is going to be the first stop. See this, a bigger rise than retracement, a further bigger rise, and it is starting to retrace. The base here is at 31, and this is the most critical zone at 31 and 30. And see, first stop it should take at around 31. From there we'll see how it behaves. If it breaks below 31, certainly we are looking forward to 29 and $28 levels as well. Also notice, look at this decline, look at the retracement, and now it is breached this bullish channel. Now breaching this bullish channel is a clear indication that it is falling into a correction territory. It is resuming the downtrend here, but I will not treat this as bearish as long as now $31 levels are respected. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD sharply bearish, the RSI has dropped. So looking at this, I will recommend you to see the safer buying entry should be only about $32 levels, but if you see it is staying above 31.70 80 zone, you can buy. Expect it to move towards 32, and 32 should offer a greater resistance. Beyond that, 32.2025 and then 32.50 levels will appear. If at any point of time silver trades above 32.50, stay bullish. We can again wait for 33, chances of which appears to be less. On the downside, take a sell at 31.40, expect 31.20 and 31. Below 31 is where the bears will take over completely. Below 31 is where we can look forward to another round of quick top, which is going to take it towards 30.75 and 30.50 levels, the next targets. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you.